How to add personalization box on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a personalization box. That means that you are going to add here some options that is going to personalize the product that you have on your store for the client choice. So it is going to be very easy and very simple. Follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you're going to be good to go. How we can make that box or that widget appear? So it is going to be easy. You are going to head over your admin dashboard of your Shopify store. Then you are going to click on the search bar and type in only product like that option. So basically it is going to be here a chain of product options that are available for that specific client. So that will make it personalizable. So we have, as you can see, a global product options and variants. We can add this. We can add, for example, here BSS product options and variants. We can add also variant option product options. These are going to be some of the best options or integration that I have used already in my Shopify store, and they've had made my let's say product very customizable. So I'm going to have here the global installed. I'm going to click on install, and then we are going simply to, let's say, agree for the installation. You can do the same process for each one of the app that I have mentioned in this video. So it is going to be the same process. So you are going to have here the same concept. Now we are going to see the app installed. I'm going to pin it into our navigation. Make sure that we have already put some products into here. So we have a free plan, a premium plan, and also a pro plan. So I'm going to continue as a free. I'm not going to get here the free trial. So we are going to see the options. So now we are going to start by step one, which is going to create the product or the option set, then integrate with the theme, and then we can customize the widget or the box. I'm going to create the option set. So we are going to add an element, for example, or select a template. Here we have some templates that you can find on the library of them. And also you can go ahead and create one from here. I'm going to create one from scratch. We can add some elements like here text, checkboxes, for example, or buttons. So I'm going to have here checkboxes for that. So we are going to modify this checkbox just like this. We can go ahead and add some other options and other values just like that. So the label is going to be not checkbox, but the name of it. So it is, which is going to be the metadata as like that. So we are going to set up here how, let's say, what do you, for example, what do you want to add? For example, or here I'm going to put the option one, which is going to be here the customization number one. Now let's say here maybe the personalization of add logo, and here we are going to put the option two, add, for example, a free sticker, and the option number three, which is going to be something related to, I'm going to delete the fourth option. So the fourth option, it is going to be add, let's say here, something that is related to the personalization, add a design. For example, add a, let's say here, a specific design. So then we are going to click on edit help text in here, and for the add-on price, you are not going to be eligible to add it because it is going to be for the let's say premium plan, and we are on the free plan, so we are going to have these. Now you can go ahead and set up these check boxes, for example, or add a let's say here not specific, or add a random design. So we are going to put this like that. So we are going to put it as required field or not. And this is the first option. You can add here, as you can see, many of options like color swatches, heading, like for example here, let's make it customizable. Uh, I'm not going to add this heading, but it is going to be something like here a paragraph or a text area. So we are going to put here a text area, which is going to be what is your name, so we can print it print it on the let's say here model. So you're going to put here a text box for that specific feature. Then you are going to click on save. And then you are going to add it manually. Select the product that you want to add that feature to, for example, like that on this shoe. And then you are going to click on save. Here we have finished with the set or the first set. So we are going to head over here, integrate it within the theme. So as you can see, we are going to head over the theme editor. We are going to integrate that box into the product choices just like that. So we are going to accept the, as you can see here, the global option. And finally, we are going to personalize it just like here. So that was pretty much everything for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.